Let's see how to build an AI chatbot using GPT-4o model. So this is a model released recently by OpenAI ChatGPT, which has numerous capabilities. For example, this is actually 2x faster compared with GPT-4, and in terms of pricing, this is actually 50% cheaper. And the O refers to the Omni model, which stands for the combination of text, audio, and image outputs. So that's a beautiful thing about this particular model. And here hello GPT-4 node, here you can actually check the demos related to this particular model as well. So in this video I'm going to explain how to build an AI chatbot for a specific business to handle customer support inquiries using GPT-4 node. So let's get started over here. So here I am in a demo account with these channels connected. So here you can actually connect your own channels as well. So you can even build chatbots on SMS, WhatsApp, and Telegram, Viber as well. So here in this account we have only these 4 channels connected over here. Let's see how we can actually use GPT-4o model to build a chatbots. So first of all, you have to go to settings right here. So let me go to settings, and in settings you have to go to the integrations, and here for the integration choose OpenAI ChatGPT. So here you have to get your API keys from OpenAI right here and plug those API keys from here to connect your OpenAI account or to with our platforms. That is done, you will see these sort of options right here. So here if you click on edit, here you have the option to choose your model over here. So here by default you might see GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K, but if you want to choose a GPT-4o model, you can simply choose that particular model right here. So as you see here, GPT-4o here, and here you will have to provide a prompt, which is some sort of information about your business for the AI to answer any sort of questions over there. So here for example, let's use this information about a fitness company named as Goal Driven Fitness. So here let me simply grab that information and simply paste it right here, and here let me say you are a helpful assistant to Goal Driven Fitness. Simple as that. So this is a very simple prompt right here with some sort of information about the business, and here you can set your own temperatures and the tokens as well, and click continue. And once that is done, you have to make sure this is switched on as well, and it simply automatically use AI to respond to the messages before triggering the default reply. So here we are going to use the AI to handle all the messages you actually receiving right here. So that's why I have chosen this option and click save. Alright, so now we have actually built the AI chatbot powered by GPT-4o in just a few minutes. So let's see how this actually works. So this can actually works on all the channels automatically, so you don't need to do anything. It simply works on all these connected channels right here, including a chat widget on your website as well. So let's test this on the Instagram channel right here. So here let me share my phone screen over here. So let me have this business information right here as well, so we can see how the responses look like. So let me open Instagram and let me send a message hi and see what happens. It says, hello, how can I assist you today? Are you interested in learning more about Goal Driven Fitness, our services, or something specific? So here let me ask this question. So there it has some sort of frequently asked questions as well. So let me ask this question: starting fitness level, and it says about pre-workout nutrition. Clients are advised to consume light meals rich in protein, carbs before workouts, and stay hydrated throughout the session. So let me ask for the payment. Do you accept credit cards? So let me see what sort of response we are actually. Yes, Goal Driven Fitness accept credit cards as a form of payment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. So as you see, it's pretty much speed as well. So it's simply 2x speed compared with the GPT-4 Turbo. So as soon as I ask question, it simply returns the responses as you see here. So this is simply responding to any sort of customers questions right here, and whatever the chats happening over here will be tracked in this omnichannel inbox too. So here if we go to the inbox, so here let me open the inbox right here, and as you see here, so this is the chat. So this is, I'm chatting from the Instagram, and you can simply see what sort of questions asked by the customer and what sort of responses are generated right here. So here this simply works on other channels as I mentioned as well. By default you will see this particular AI trigger as well, which says connect user to human. So here at the moment all the messages are actually handled by the AI 100%. So let's say if a particular customer wants to talk to a human, this particular AI trigger will help that particular customer to assign the conversation to a human. So here if we go back to the inbox over here, you can see the bot is active, and here you can filter conversation by all conversation, bot and human. So if I go to the human conversation, we don't see we have only some sort of conversations right here. So let's see how this AI trigger actually works. Connect user to human live. So let's say if a particular customer says they want to talk to a human, so let's say, can I talk with a human? So basically if intent is to talk to a human or support agent, then this particular AI will automatically transfer that particular conversation from bot to human folder. So let's see what sort of response we are actually getting for this message I sent. I have connected you to a human agent. They will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any other questions in the meantime, feel free to ask. So here if I go to the inbox right here, so as you see here, the bot active is gone and the human agent will be notified. So if you go to the human folder, you should be able to see this particular conversation, because at the moment this particular conversation is already transferred to human. But if we go to the bot, we don't see that conversation. And even if a particular the same customer send you any sort of messages at this point, it doesn't send any sort of responses right here, because this particular conversation is already transferred to a human and the bot is switched off. So the human agent can check all the customers messages and respond to them effectively as well. So this is another beautiful thing about using AI chatbot in conjunction with the human agents as well. So you can even implement AI lead generation capabilities using these AI triggers as well. So that's also another option for you to have automate the customer support and also generate leads at the same time as well. So this is a quick video on how to use GPT-4o model to handle customer inquiries effectively with the support of human agent as well. So if you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.